One of the most consistent causes of conveyor downtime and lost productivity on mine sites around the world is idler failure. While it's impossible to prevent idler failure, it is possible to control its financial impact with PDS Idler.
An underground coal mine in Australia identified that idler delays were increasing at an alarming rate to over 180 hours per year. The mine was experiencing accelerated shell failure due to corrosion, but had no system for recording and analysing idler delays nor managing the associated maintenance. A lack of training in detecting failing idlers and inefficient planning was also leading to high maintenance costs. PDS met with a cross-section of the workforce to understand the issues and implemented PDS Idler to capture failure records, reports on corrective work required, and provide historical evidence of failures for statistic-backed decision-making. The result was a reduction in idler delays of more than 50%, with a cost benefit through efficient planning of labour and an operating cost saving of around $1.5 million per annum. PDS Idler helps reduce conveyor downtime through accurate digital inspection which captures precise, real-time failure data. This provides a powerful management tool for detailed planning, execution and failure analysis, replacing the traditional, more inefficient and inaccurate method of maintaining spreadsheets. PDS Idler has managed over 2 million roller failures from identification to rectification, has improved the efficiency of shutdowns through better planning, and provided valuable insights into better roller selection and root cause analysis. PDS Idler offers the complete solution to the real-time prediction and management of idler failures.
If you need to dramatically reduce idler failure, you need to get PDS Idler working for you.